Hello, today we are going to talk about how to import course content that you may have exported last spring. The first step that you'll need to do is to go into your Google Drive, which is where we encouraged you to store the export file. You can find an export file from Canvas by locating any file with a designation .imscc. It is a file that can only be opened by Canvas, so when you do try and double click it, it will not open. So the first thing that you'll want to do is go ahead and locate where your Canvas course export was. And when you do find the course, you're going to right click on it from within Google Drive and you're going to select for it to download. It may take a moment, so feel free to pause now while it downloads. Okay, I can see that it's definitely downloaded since I have a completed file here on the lower part of my screen. The next step is to go into your Canvas account and go to your dashboard, select the course you would like to use to import. Once that's open, on the far left side, all the way near the bottom, there will be a Settings tab. Click to open. The option for import will be in the menu that is on the right side of the page, and it says Import Course Content. Click to open. So you see from the drop-down menu that you have a few options. The one you'd like to select is Canvas Course Export Package. That is that IMSCC item. You'll use the source option to go ahead and select this from your Downloads folder. Again, it will be an IMSCC file. It won't really allow you to select anything different than that. You have two options. One is to import all content. The other is to be able to select specific content, which it will do on the next screen. Most of you are going to want to just import all content. It does not include any student submissions. Those were not exported, and it does not include any grades or any rosters. The only things that were included in an export package were assignments, pages, quizzes, and blank discussion boards, so any prompts or boards that you had set up. You're welcome to adjust the events and due dates if you would like it to shift to the current one. Otherwise, it will use the same delineation from last year's course for a start date, and it counts it by days, not by day of the week. So you may still have to edit any of the due dates. So once you've got the things that you would like selected for your import, if you'll click on the blue button for import, this may take a little while. You'll see a status bar eventually come up, and if you'll let the blue status bar get all the way to complete before you continue, feel free to hit pause now while this uploads. Okay, you can see that this file is ready for upload because it says queued. Once it is ready, then it will shift to a blue status bar. Great, so the import is going as long as you see that running and blue status bar, and once it's complete, it will show completed. Okay, I want to answer a question that a couple of you may have. So when you import, sometimes you may see something that pops up with two issues. When I go ahead and look at what issues came up, it's because I have yet to activate the external tool Flipgrid, and two of the assignments that I imported had Flipgrid. So it's simply letting me know that those two assignments won't work that were imported since it hasn't been activated. Once I go ahead and set the external tool for Flipgrid, both of those assignments will then function just as they were set in the import. So you can double check that anything is there by clicking on the left-hand menu on the Assignments tab. You should see all of your assignments and in the categories that you had selected. You can also check if you had pages or quizzes or discussion boards. All of your items should be there. Enjoy!